Okay guys, let's talk about introducing small puppies to small children. Puppies that have never seen a small child, it can be quite disconcerting. So as you can see here, this puppy's like, what the heck is that? That is very strange and weird. This is why I make an effort to get my puppies out and about around small kids. My puppy obviously showed a little bit of stress right off the hop, but you can see that he kind of opens up quickly, and I know that's how he is. Like he's got relatively good confidence, so I knew he would recover relatively quickly and be open to an interaction. A couple things here, and you'll see this in the body language. When my son goes to the puppy, it's a little more stressful for the puppy. When the puppy comes towards my son, it's a little less stressful. So if you have a puppy who's really stressing out, make it that he goes to the kids and nice things happen versus the kids come to him. So this is what I do. I tell him, hey, take the leash and walk the puppy around. And just the act of following my child is a lot less threatening than, obviously my son coming to him. And as you can see here, he's a little bit more open to that. And just having my son lead him around is a positive experience. If possible, get the puppy to come to the child, not the child to the puppy, as much as you can. Now, this is not a guarantee that your puppy will be social and safe with children. There's a fair degree of genetics involved in that. You see, I invite the puppy towards my child. So this is something that I do short, sweet, positive, and do this fairly regularly, just so your dog has an experience with small children and isn't totally terrified by them.